Hey facts, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to be collaborating with Tanaka map. I have put her link in my description box and in this click card right above here. Please make sure that you check that out and you also watch our video collaborating on her channel and you subscribe. It's very important to us that you subscribe. So I challenged her to make chocolate cupcakes. She challenged me to make Japanese Soufflé Pancakes. Honestly, when I saw that, I was like, sis, do you have a gift or something? I love pancakes. I love Japan. I wish to go there one day. I love Sakura wine. So excited. I can't wait to see how this turns out. It's a very complex process, but I know that this will turn out great.
Yeah.
I'm so excited, and stay tuned for this video. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, that's a joke, obviously. Anyway, so my first instruction is to warm up the pan at the lowest temperature for the longest time. I have put mine at 2. Next, I'm going to need a bowl of ice water. Place another bowl inside there, just like that. Now we're going to need half a cup of heavy whipping cream, as well as 2 whole eggs.
Hold on, do it. Yeah. Oh my God.
We interrupt this program.
I need about half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1.5 tablespoons sugar, granulated of course, and you're going to whisk it. Child, separating this egg yolk.
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?
From this egg white was a mess. As you can see, I've got some of my milk solution in there. I made a mistake and I added the egg to the whipping cream, and I had to separate the egg from the whipping cream, and then I had to separate the yolk from its egg whites. Child, this is already disastrous, but you know what? I am the queen of working with what you have, and you're going to continue. So what you need to do now is to freeze this for about 15 minutes, the egg whites.
Do you honestly think you're funny?
In our egg... I wanted to say Jaeger bombs. I wanted to say Jaeger bombs, that is crazy. In our egg yolk, we're going to add our sugar and vanilla essence. This is actually supposed to just be a 1/4 teaspoon, but I like to let it rip when I put vanilla essence, so I'm just probably gonna put like maybe a whole teaspoon or more, we'll see. And 1.25 teaspoon of sugar. Let's put a whole tablespoon. Okay, that's a bit much, but what the heck? What do we have to lose, right? We need to whisk this till it's thick and frothy. It smells great already, I have to say. Look at that. Okay, great. Set that aside. Now, I literally just came outside to take a breather because, honey, these pancakes are showing me literal flames. We need to sift a 1/4 cup of cake flour. There we go. It should look something like this. Mix thoroughly, but don't over mix for my instructions. Okay, I think I'm done. So once you're done, you should just set this aside for about 15 minutes while we wait for our egg whites to freeze slightly. I've just taken out my egg whites out of the freezer. As you can see, it's slightly frozen on the sides there. I don't know if you can see that right there. Need to beat your egg whites. Once it starts getting frothy like that, I'm going to add my sugar gradually into my egg whites. So you just need about 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is what our, that's bright. This is what our meringue should look like. This is the result of egg whites and sugar. When you lift it up, it should be stiff, just like that. What you need to do is to halve your meringue. The first half, just like this. You add it into that flour mixture. Like this. Fold it in so that you don't create any air pockets. Right. Oof, this looks so great. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Second one. Same thing. This mixture and add it into the other half. This is literal perfection. I'm sorry. This is literal perfection. Look at this. It's so stretchy. I hope I'm doing this right, eh? This is my very first time making these. Fold it in gently. Don't create any air pockets. Oh my god, I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. I can go ahead and cook this. The moment we've all been waiting for, right? You're gonna need some vegetable oil. Just a wee bit. Spread that around. Ooh, that's actually way too much. I used olive oil instead for this recipe, but vegetable oil works as well. Then I'm going to brush the rest of that away with a paper towel. Oh, that's hella bright. My word. So we'll start off with 2 teaspoons of our mixture. Just drop that in there. Ah, it looks so good. So the trick with these is to stack them up vertically, right? So that they come out higher and fluffier. Okay. Oh, it's melting.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
You need to add a bit of water so that they can steam and cook in there. So you just have to put the water at the edges, just a little bit. Don't need too much. Oopsie. Okay. Close the lid. Let that sit for about 2 minutes. Child, look at this mess, honey. Like, they're spreading and they're joining. What is this? What is going on? You know what? Let's not panic. Everything's going to be okay. Reminder. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. This is not going to work. Wow, that took a crazy turn for the worst. Like, I'm embarrassed. Oh my god, guys, that was actually really horrible. I think I'm going to practice this off camera for a bit, and I'll definitely add this on my itinerary when I go to Japan to try some Japanese Soufflé Pancakes, because child, that was very difficult. But you know what? I'm gonna keep trying off camera, and then I'll show you guys another time, because please don't forget to check out Tanaka map. Again, click card right above me and in the description box down below, whichever one you prefer.